Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Junoda VPart wig right here. The hair comes in this gorgeous packaging, and the packaging comes with loads of amazing goodies that you can use to install this hair or any other hair in your collection. It comes with a wig cap, it comes with a baby hair comb, it comes with a 3D lashes, it comes with a wig brush, it comes with baby hair scarf, and it also comes with an instruction of how to take good care of your hair. It comes with, an hairband as well, like the baby hair scarf, if that makes sense. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the box, guys. The hair is curly, and look at that curls. The curls are popping, like straight out of the box. You can just clip in the hair on your head and off you go. And yep, no stress, no wig cap, no glue, no gel, no hairspray, no nothing at all. And the hair comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and it also comes with an elastic strap as well, which you can use to secure your hair at the back if that's the look you're going for. Bear in mind that you can actually go for no leave out with this hair, but I decided to go for a leave out. Your choice. You can go for whichever one you decide to go for. You are good to go with this hair. So all I did was just pat some of my hair that I'll be leaving out, and then brush the rest of my hair backward and use an elastic band to, tie it at the back. And then I undo the clips of the wig, as you guys can tell, and then I place the wig exactly on the areas where I pat, and I'll be leaving the hair out. So I then clip on the hair to my natural hair, just to keep the hair secured. And at the back, I didn't do anything, to be honest. I didn't even use the elastic band because the hair was actually well secured with the clip on the hair. So yep, easy peasy lemon squeezy. You don't have to do anything at all. This installation could actually take you 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes and off you go. Especially when you're doing a leave out, less than 60 seconds, you're good to go. You don't have to worry about, anything at all. Maybe wig cap or gel whatsoever. You don't need all of that. So yeah, I then take out the hair that I plait just to, make sure they're well laying on the leave out. And bear in mind, for me in this video, I actually don't have enough hair at the front. So if you're like me, that you don't have enough hair at the front, watch this. Brush your natural hair on the sideways. Did you see that? Exactly the way to, camouflage your natural hair with the cap, with the wig, I mean. That's the technique I use all the time, and it always works. People always think that this is my natural hair. Every time I'm wearing a part wig, I always go for that technique, and it works for me, even though my hair is not full at the front. So if you're like me, that you don't have enough hair at the front, follow the technique I just showed you. Brush your hair sideways and forward, and you will be good to go. So yep, as I said earlier, if you want a big hair don't care kind of look, all you need to do is just use your fingers to brush out the hair, and you will be good to go. But if you want that wet look, feel free to spray water on your hair and apply mousse if you want, because with this hair the curls are naturally popping, so you don't need any products at all to install this hair. All you need to do to make these curls pop more is water. Just spray water on your hair and you would be good to go. Look at those curls, look at that. They are popping, like popping, guys, popping. Look at that. I was speechless. The curl pattern for me is just amazing. I love the quality of this hair, and look at the length. Look at that. Very, very long. The hair is actually 16 inches, by the way. It's really, really long, and you can tell when I stretch the hair there. So yep, it's definitely true to length in my opinion, and I am loving it. So yep, Stay tuned for my review, and thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Junoda VPart wig I am wearing right now. Guys, look at those curls. They are popping. So I'm just gonna quickly go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box was the curl pattern of this wig, guys. The curls were popping, like straight out of the box. You can actually just clip on the hair on your head and off you go. That's how gorgeous this hair is straight from the box. You don't have to stress yourself about wig cap. You don't need glue, you don't need gel, you don't need anything at all to install this hair. All you need to do is just, you know, pat your hair where you want the wig to go. You can go for side part, you can go for center part, you can go for any part of your choice when installing this hair. And the amazing thing about this hair is the fact that the wig is very secured, because the clips are very tiny and they're not noticeable. Very comfortable on the head as well. I really like how easy it is to install this hair, and I also love the fact that the clips on this units are very lightweight and comfortable on the head. Like, you can barely notice that they are there, and your hair is secured. It's going nowhere. Like, look at that. The hair is going nowhere. And you also have an option to actually secure your hair at the back with the elastic strap and the wig comb included in the construction of this unit. So it's well secured. The hair is going nowhere. I really love how natural the hair looks on me. You can barely tell if this was actually my natural hair or if this was actually a wig. I also love the fact that the hair is really full. The texture of the hair is just amazing. The hair is super duper soft. Quality wise is top notch for me. A+, no doubt about that. The quality of the hair is amazing. As you guys can tell, the hair is really soft and very silky. I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever throughout the styling of this hair. The hair kept to its natural state straight out of the box, and I am loving that about this hair. Another thing I noticed about this hair is the fact that you can actually manipulate the curl pattern of this hair, which is one of the amazing things I love about this hair. It mimics my own natural hair but longer, although I've actually put relaxer on my hair, but so close to my natural hair. And the fact that the curls are popping, even though the hair is almost dried, I am loving that as well. You don't really need to use a lot of product to get the curls popping, because straight out of the box you can actually wear the hair big. You know, if you're the type that like the big hair don't care kind of look, all you need to do is just, you know, clip on your hair and then use your fingers to brush out the curls. If you want that big hair don't care kind of look, or that generous kind of look, then feel free to use your fingers to just, you know, brush out the curls and give you that fluffy big hair kind of look. And if you're the type that actually like wet looks, then also feel free to spray water on the hair and you will get the curls popping. I love the curl pattern of this hair. I love that the hair is super duper soft and very smooth to touch. Look at that. No shedding, no tangling whatsoever, and the hair is really full. As I showed you guys earlier, the hair is full from the top to the brim. And another thing I love about this hair is the fact that the hair on this wig is actually the same throughout the length of this hair, which is really amazing. And the curl pattern just flow along with the hair from top to bottom. I mean, that for me is just amazing. I've actually worked with Junoda hair before, and the quality of their hair is always top notch, and this one is also first class in my opinion. And if you guys don't know Junoda hair are a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have straight hair, silky straight hair, they have VPart wig, as you can tell, and they have all types of hairstyles, textures and lengths on their website. The amazing thing about them is the fact that they normally have offers on their website. So if you visit their website, you definitely find something for you. you and your loved ones. And in terms of their shipping, the shipping took exactly 5 days to get here in the UK, which is amazing in my opinion. And I love the fact that they actually pay attention to details when it comes to the construction of their cap, and the goodies included in the packaging is just wow. Like, I've actually always wanted airbrush, and I'm quite surprised that they included one in this packaging, and not just any brush. The color of the brush is just fantastic for me. Look at that. How gorgeous is this? Look at that. This is really sturdy and very nice. Look at that. I love the details of the brush as well, so feel free to. Ooh, look at those curls. Wow, this is really nice. I should have used this brush. Look at that. The curls are popping. No shedding, no tangling whatsoever. As you guys can see, the brush is going. Look at those curls, guys. Look at those curls. The curl pattern of this hair for me, like, is just speechless. Speechless. I love the brush included in the hair. As you guys can see, there's no shedding or tangling whatsoever. So yeah, so would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. I will definitely recommend this hair. In terms of the quality, is AA plus for me. In terms of their shipping, is AA plus for me. In terms of how easy it is to install this hair, is definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of the construction of the cap, it's definitely AA plus for me. And in terms of the goodie that comes with the box, you know, that you can use to install this hair or any other hair you have in your collection, is definitely AA plus for me. That's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.